Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and here's a quick unboxing of the brand new OnePlus 7T. The OnePlus 7T is a really interesting phone because it brings all the good stuff from the OnePlus 7 Pro down to the non-Pro line. And after today's OnePlus 7T Pro announcement, a lot of people are saying that the OnePlus 7T might just be the most value for money phone out there. I'm a huge OnePlus fan, so I can't wait to test it out. But before we start our review, here's a quick look at what you get in this box. This very long box. Okay, so that's the box for the OnePlus 7T. You can see it's a interesting new type. Actually, the box is very similar to the box for the Oppo Reno 2. So it's interesting to see everyone moving to this weird new long box format, but hey, it's interesting and it's new, and I guess it's a phase. You can see the little bit of education on the front of the OnePlus 7T box. Turning it at the back, you can see that this is an India unit, so pretty much your regular box. Let's open that up. All right, so let's open this up. So OnePlus has always been very good at their presentation, and their unboxing experience has always been pretty sweet. Okay, so first up you have a sleeve that I'm assuming will have all the documentation and everything else inside. Yeah, that seems to be about right. So first up, you have the usual quick start guide on how to use your OnePlus 7T. The usual service and warranty information. You also have the stickers, which is pretty cool. I love that OnePlus gives stickers with their phone. This is something that I wish more companies did. Apart from Apple, OnePlus seems to be the only company that does that. And a little guide on plastic recycling, which is cool to see. Yeah. All right. Apart from that, you have the invitation letter, which is something they do with all of their phones. Oh, I've done a really bad job at opening this up, but there you see a letter from Pete, which is the founder of OnePlus, on the beliefs of OnePlus right there. So this is sweet. So yeah, this is nice to see. I'm just gonna put this here. And then there's the piece de resistance, the main attraction, which is the OnePlus 7T itself, which is pretty sweet. I like that I got the nice color, glacial blue, I think it's called. All right, you can see that that is pretty sweet. Let me get rid of this thing. Yeah, this is sweet. I actually really like the color. I'm actually really looking forward to using this as well. I've always been a huge OnePlus fan, so yeah, that's while that switches on, let's see what else you get in there. Just gonna put this here. All right, let's see what else we have in there. Okay, so you have a case, which seems like it's pretty good quality. I'm really happy that they give you a case in the box so that your phone is protected from day one. You also have the SIM card removal tool right there. You have the OnePlus cable, their trademark red cable, which is cool. I've actually seen a lot of these in India because a lot of people have OnePlus phones here, so this is sweet. And then you also have their Warp charger, which is again another feature of OnePlus that people seem to really like, and it's very appreciated. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to be setting this up, and I'll let you know what I think about it pretty soon. All right, guys, that was a quick unboxing of the brand new OnePlus 7T. As always, if you guys have any questions about this phone, let me know right in the comment section below, or you can ask me directly on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.